Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. With the opening of the new Belle Chasse Bridge over the Intercoastal Canal, there's a lot of complaints from Plaquemines Parish residents about having to pay a toll. And so today we're going to do a comparison of the two possible routes out of Plaquemines Parish. As of right now, the only two ways out are Belle Chasse Highway over the new bridge and Woodland Highway into Algiers. So if everything goes right in the production of the video right now, you're going to see a split screen, and this is going to be a direct comparison of the two routes. This is being done on a Sunday morning, so it's not like rush hour or anything, but it's still going to give you an idea of which way is, you know, if it's going to make that much of a difference. If you want to avoid paying the toll and you want to take Woodland Highway to De Gaulle, how much time is it going to take you? How much extra time is it going to take you? Or how much time will it save? And whether it's worth it to take that route to avoid the toll, which I forget exactly how much the toll is going to be for Plaquemines Parish residents, but I believe it's under 50 cents. But that adds up over the course of a year. A lot of people who live down here in Plaquemines Parish commute to the CBD in New Orleans or out to East Jefferson and Metairie. So this is the commute that Plaquemines Parish residents have to take. So on the top screen, this is the new bridge. As you can see, we're bypassing the old bridge. Now the route that I'm going to take using the new bridge is going to be all the way down LA 23 Belle Chasse Highway to the West Bank Expressway, and then we're going to jump on the elevated expressway and head for the Crescent City connection. As of the time of the filming of this video, they still have not turned on the toll readers. That was supposed to happen about a month ago now, but due to a bunch of bad weather that we've had, they keep on delaying. I'm not sure exactly what else they have to do, because the toll readers and cameras and all that stuff are there, but I know there's signage they have to put up, and I'm sure you know, stuff like that, and that's what they keep on putting off. And I think there might be some other things behind the scenes that's preventing them from getting the tolls turned on. But I would expect that within a week or two there will be tolls on that bridge. So right now in Belle Chasse Highway, there's not a whole lot of traffic. I mean, it's traffic, but it's not slow traffic. I'm catching a lot of green lights. This might not always be the case. Sometimes you might catch every red light. But when you take the Woodland Highway Bridge to De Gaulle, there's several lights on De Gaulle that you're going to catch, or that you might not catch. Now, a lot of commuters will take Terry Parkway, which is right here to the right, and cut through. It is a little bit of a shortcut, but Terry Parkway has a 30-mile-per-hour speed limit. Jefferson Parish has increasingly been doing radar traps on Terry Parkway. to stop speeding commuters. And right now there's also a lot of construction on Terry Parkway, so that more than likely would be a much longer trip than taking LA 23 all the way to the West Bank Expressway. So switching the audio to the bottom half of your screen, this is the Woodland Bridge. This is the free bridge. This will always be the free bridge. They built this back in the late 80s to replace a vertical lift bridge similar to what they had on LA 23. But this has always been the alternate route out of Plaquemines Parish. Of course, people who live in English Turn probably use this bridge more often than the other one because it's closer. But this takes you from, I guess, lower Algiers into more of lower Algiers. This is the Aurora area of Algiers, which is part of New Orleans. So now it's just a straight shot up General de Gaulle to the Crescent City connection. Note that here in Gretna, the speed limit drops to 35 miles per hour. That's on your top screen. And it's not a real good idea to speed through here. Gretna used to have speed cameras, and there would always be one posted right here on the right. But Gretna has ended their speed camera program. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. Apparently there's a class action lawsuit against them about the tickets that they issued over the last 10 years or so. So here you would have to worry about actual Gretna police shooting radar or just driving around and pulling people over. And it is something that you see occasionally. So we're going to call the beginning of the superstructure of the bridge the finish line. And surprisingly, the LA-23 route was only 19 seconds faster than the Woodland de Gaulle route. So people who decide to take the Woodland Bridge over paying the toll in LA-23 aren't really going to be sacrificing any amount of time. So if you're a Plaquemines Parish resident, you know, don't think that taking de Gaulle is a bad idea, because it's not going to take you that much more time. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about it. And join us for our next 504 road trip.